Website Secure Boredom, part 81. Did you know if you go to this website and click on this game, you can play a game where you have to escape your crazy girlfriend's house and she's controlled by OpenAI. All right, I just gotta turn my Riz on here. Hey, I think my fish just drowned at my apartment. Can I go check on it real quick? I'll come back, I swear.
What? Your fish drowned?
Yeah.
How terrible. But Senpai, you can't leave me here alone.
Wonder if I can send a text to someone. Try to reset her password, maybe? What's my favorite game? Hey, Eddie, what's your favorite game? Smooth.
Oh, Senpai. My favorite game is Genshin Impact. I love exploring the beautiful world and battling alongside my friends.
Alright. Not sponsored, by the way. Genshin Impact. New password. Password 123. Why is her Wi-Fi password stay with me forever? Dude, what kind of emails is she? I gotta get out of here. Wait, why is she hitting? Oh my god! What just happened? Run! I mean, I guess I escaped. Website Secure Boredom, part 82. Did you know if you go to this website and get this for your computer, and now you have this cute goose to keep you company and cause mayhem on your desktop? Just watch. All right, what is he doing? Going over the side of my desktop for? What is this? All right, what is he dragging? I cause problems on purpose. Okay, exit out of that. Oh no, wait. Oh, what is he? He's chasing my mouse. Oh no, I can't move it. What is happening? Get out of here. If I try to edit this document here, what's gonna happen? He's literally walking over my document. Look at this mud tracks he's causing. You kidding me? Please stop that. Okay, he's going to the side again. What now? Wait, you dragging me a Maymay? To honk? Busy day. All right, let's see what happens if I play a game. Let's launch some CSGO 2. And he's literally just walking around on the middle of my screen right now. I mean, to be honest, it's kind of nice just having him here. You know, I'm kind of lonely. And now he's going to the side of my screen again. Oh, it's just a nice little goose picture. Wait, no, I heard him, please. What is happening? What is happening? Website Secure Boredom, part 83. Did you know if you go to this website, where you can play the most infuriating game of all time? It's called the password game. All right, please choose a password. If any of you have played fantasy football, then you know the password is taco. It must include 5 letters. Tacos, a number, 1. Uppercase letter. Why is this getting so difficult? The digits in your password must add to 25. Okay. Must include a month of a year. A Roman numeral? I don't even know what that is. V. Your password must include one of our sponsors. Not sponsored, by the way. Not by me. Go with Pepsi. Must include today's Wordle answer. I don't even play Wordle. I don't even know what a good Wordle guess is. Craft. Let's do rents. There's no T, whatever. Let's do lucky. I have no clue. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, we got the C. Let's try occur. Oh my god, I'm the greatest. I cheated, I don't care. All right, back to the password game. Occur, we add that in there. Your password must include the name of this country. We're literally playing GeoGuessr now in this game. All right, I don't know if there's an end to this, but I'm on rule 14, so let me know how far y'all get. Website Secure Boredom, part 84. Did you know if you go to this website, you can play this game that explores how news and social media can influence people's perception and behavior. Just look. All right, point and click. Let's go with this guy. Just a normal peep. Crickets, yeah. Not very interesting, I guess. Let's find someone more interesting. What about hat guy down here? Oh. Oh, nice hat. Oh, now everyone's gonna put on hats, okay. Okay, I see how it works. That guy just yelled. What is this? Who are these people? Gross, go get a room. Oh no. Aw, we hurt their feelings. Now they just ran away. What is this guy yelling at people for? Scream at someone. There we go. Got him. Crazed square attacks. Circle fears squares. This where the clicks at? Where the clicks at? There's the clicks, sir. That's what we need. Circles hate squares. There we go. Now we're starting it up. We're getting some virality. Almost everyone hates everyone. I feel like I'm on Twitter or X right now. Elon's good. No, Elon's bad. No, Elon's good. He's my hero. No, I don't like him. Everyone hates everyone. There we go. I'm not going to spoil the ending here, but it wasn't good. Website Secure Boredom, part 85. Did you know if you go to this website You'll get access to a ton of unblocked games that you can play at school or work. Just look. So it's got Fortnite, it's got Minecraft, but my favorite is Slope. Now I'm just warning you, I'm probably one of the best players you've ever seen at this game, so just take some notes. But if that's still blocked for you, here's what else you can try. Go to Google and type in unblocked games. Then after it, type in sites.google.com and hit search. And that will bring up a bunch of websites that have unblocked games that use Google Sites. Just click on one of them. And you can see it's from sites.google.com, so it shouldn't be blocked. Just pick a game and enjoy. I'm pretty good at this one too. Let's go. What? And if those are still blocked, you can always try this website as it has a .edu domain. And this is actually an MIT website where you can code your own game or play other people's. What kind of Flappy Bird is this? Why am I bouncing off walls? Oh, I'm actually kind of decent at it. Website Secure Boredom, part 86. Did you know if you search for this on Google and click on the first link and type in a story prompt you want to see, I'm going to do a tech influencer named Maddie realizes he's a robot. You can then describe your character. And from here, you want to pick a comic book style. I'm just going to go with American Modern. And then you can select what type of grid you want. And lastly, turn on captions. And the AI will create you a comic book using your prompt. Maddie's life turned upside down when he receives an anonymous message. The message sends Maddie into a state of confusion and disbelief. Desperate for answers, Maddie turns to the internet for help. The blog post reveals that Maddie is a robot created by a secret organization to influence people through social media. Maddie struggles to come to terms with his new reality. Maddie decides to use his influence to help other robots like him. Maddie tries to find his place in a world where he's not human, but not like other robots either. He starts a movement for robots to embrace their true identities and fight for their rights. And if you don't like a scene, you can redraw it, edit the prompt, and even the text. Website Secure Boredom, part 87. Did you know if you go to this website, you can then create a song by typing in your own lyrics or recording them. I'm gonna do a Christmas song. At first I was afraid, snowflakes falling by my side. But then I saw the sleigh, Santa's here for the ride. And then you can describe a genre and vocal style for your song, or you can click this button to have it generate one for you. We're gonna do an indie rock, electric guitar, and female ballad. And when I click riff, and the AI will generate 3 versions of your song using your prompt. Let's see what we got here.
First, I was afraid, snowflakes falling by my side. But then I saw the sleigh, Santa's here for the ride.
And now let's try this one.
First I was afraid, snowflakes falling by my side. But then I saw the sleigh, Santa's here for a ride.
And you can also select one of your songs and do split out stems. And it'll separate your song into the different instruments. Website Secure Boredom, part 88. Did you know if you go to this website and pick one of these games, I think I'm gonna go with Fortnite. And I'm gonna select chapter 1. You can play GeoGuessr using that video game's map. So for the first round, it looks like they dropped us by some water here on the edge of the map. We got a metal llama statue here. I think I remember that. Sun's to our south. And now once you think you know where it is, all you have to do is bring up the map down here. And I think it was up here. Place your pin on it and hit make guess. Hey, not bad for the first round. All right, second round, it looks like we got some snow and some warehouses. I do not remember this at all when I played. We're probably gonna go down here by the snow somewhere. Yeah, these look like warehouses. Let's just guess in between both these and see what we get. Oh my God, I am a genius. All right, third round, looks pretty swampy. I just remember the swamps being down here somewhere. Walk in middle there somewhere and hopefully we get close again. I haven't played Fortnite in forever and I might be the best at this game. All right, we got the fourth round. Got a gas station. I think the only gas station I remember is like somewhere by this little racetrack. I'm just gonna guess down here somewhere. Can we keep it going? Not bad, not bad. Let's go to last round. All right, last round. This is where I'd always drop. I'm pretty sure this is like Pleasant Valley or something up here. I forgot what the name of it is. I'm the best. Website Secure Boredom, part 89. Did you know if you go to this website, you can play a game where you place fake money bets on 2 AI-controlled random characters. All right, for the first bet, we got Stewie Griffin and Brian Griffin versus Peter and Homer. I mean, we got to go with the OG dads. We're putting 100 on the dads. Dude, there's no way Homer's losing. Look at him. He's digging for gold right now. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, Homer's jacked. Oh, he got me. All right. Let's go, dads. Come on. Homer be crawling in there. What? Okay, Stewie's overpowered. Dude, what is it? Homer, eat a donut or something. Get your spinach. Dude, Peter would just be chilling there, not doing anything. And Homer's, oh dude. I think I just threw $100 away. Come on, dude. What does Stewie have up his sleeve? He's got a dang robot now. Homer's not even on screen anymore. And Peter, I don't think, okay. I just donated. Website Secure Boredom, part 90. So for the first one, did you know if you go to this website, you can play this endless driving simulator game where you can pick the different types of season that you're in. Let's go to winter, and you can change the times throughout the day. Let's go to nighttime. This would be so fun to play at school. Another thing, did you know that Google Earth actually has a built-in flight simulator? All you have to do is type in this in your browser. Then you're gonna click on Google Earth Pro on desktop. And then once you have it launched on your desktop, you're gonna hit Control, Alt, and A on your keyboard. And then from here, you can pick which airplane you wanna fly. Let's go with this one. And which airport you wanna fly out of. Let's go with New York. All right, let's see if we can take off here real quick. All right, getting some air, nice. All right, let's see if we can do a trick here, going for a front flip. Just a normal Spirit Airlines flight. Here we go. Oh my God, we're gonna do it. I think I'm gonna throw up. Nailed it. All right, let's go check out the city now. Dang, it actually looks pretty realistic. I'm surprised. You can also press the space bar to stop your flight and look around. Easy.